Morning, I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction. A big question that we've gotten at the Home and Garden Show this year is how bright are these things in the wintertime and when there's snow? And as everybody knows from the slipping and sliding today, there's been a lot of snow out on the road, and right there is my tube light that we have installed in my hallway in my home. I'm going to turn my light on that I have a light inside my tube for at night. And you can see not much of a difference at all. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning here. And we've got plenty of, and you can see, look behind me, between natural light and unnatural light. I'd much rather have the natural light in my house. And I'm going to go ahead and walk through my spare room here, just so I could show you what the outside looks like. And you can see my truck there is filled with snow. So that would mean there should be snow on top of that tube also. And while there may be snow on top of the tube, it's still bringing in plenty of light in my hallway for us to see. So the tube that I have installed is a 14-inch square. We're going to go back to it. So this is a 14-inch square, and I've got a just frost glass on it, and it's brightening up this hallway just fine. So no difference. You know, summertime, obviously, we get more sun, so these actually get a little bit brighter. You can see where it just got a little bit brighter right there. So, you know, they're perfect for in the house. Perfect for those dark bathrooms, the dark hallways, the dark kitchens. I'm Jeff with Triple Peaks Roofing and Construction, where I'm on more roofs than Santa Claus.